Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix PS4, cannot use the content. Cannot connect to the server to verify the license, issues. So, before we start, check PSN server status, please. You can check the network status by selecting Settings. Select Network. Go to View Status of PlayStation Network Services, or by using your PC or smartphone to access the PlayStation Network status page in description. If the server doesn't have any problems, move on to the first method, use DNS or another DNS. Open the Settings menu on the PS4. Select Network. Go to Set up Internet Connection, then select the Wi-Fi or LAN cable option depending on how you connect. Here, I'm using the Wi-Fi Connect. Next, select the Custom option. Select a Wi-Fi network to utilize if required, and enter the password for it. Choose the automatic option for IP address settings. Select the Do Not Specify DHCP setting. Choose the manual DNS setting. Here, I will try with Cloudflare DNS. Type 1.1.1.1 as the primary DNS. Type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary DNS. Select the Next. Select Automatic. Select Do Not Use options to finish. Method 2. Change your MTU setting. Go to Settings menu. Select Network. Select Set up Internet Connection and the Use Wi-Fi option. Select to configure your network connection with the Custom option. Next, select the required Wi-Fi connection to utilize. Select the Automatic IP address option. Choose Do Not Specify for the DHCP. Select Automatic for DNS settings or select Manual as Method 1. Next, select the Manual MTU option. Input 1473 as the MTU number and select Next to continue. Finally, select the Do Not Use Proxy Server option. Method 3. Activate or reactivate console as primary. First, you need make sure just one account's on your PS4. Go to Settings. Select Login Settings. Select User Management. Select Delete User. Now, if there are more than one account, then delete all them and leave only the main account that you are using. Next, go back to Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, go ahead and access the Account Management menu. Once you're inside the Account Management menu, access the Activate as your primary PS4 menu, then choose Activate at the confirmation prompt to initiate the procedure. In case your console is already set up as your primary PS4, deactivate it, then restart your PS4 and return to this menu to activate it once again. After this operation is complete, restart your PS4 and see if the problem is resolved once the next startup is complete. Method 4. Restore license. Just go to Settings. Select Account Management. Select Restore License. Restoring your licenses may take several seconds to minutes, depending on the number of licenses you have in your internet connection. Method 5. Sign out and sign in back. From the main dashboard of your PS4 console, access the Setting menu. Once you're inside the Settings menu, access the Account Management. Next, select Sign Out. After you confirm the operation, sign back in at the login screen that just appeared and see if the problem is now fixed. Method 6. Clear System Cache. To do that, you need to turn off the PS4. After that, unplug the power cable from the power source and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, hard drive, etc. Wait for about 5 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart the console. If the problem persists, then try using another network, such as mobile data, neighbor's Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, and etc. Method 7. Delete and reinstall the game on PS4's internal drive. Go to your PS4 home screen. Open the quick menu by selecting the game tile and pressing the Options button on the controller. Select Delete to erase the game. Afterwards, download the game from the PS Store or install it from the disk. The important thing now is to install the game on the PS4's internal drive. At last, run the game again and see if the error message returns. Method 8. Rebuild database. Press the power button present on the front panel of the PS4 to turn it off. The indicator will blink a few times. After turning off your PS4, press and hold the power button and keep holding it until you hear 2 beeps. The first beep will usually be heard when you press it initially, and the second beep when you keep pressing it, for around 7 seconds. Now connect the PS4 controller with a USB cable and press the PlayStation button present on the controller. The PlayStation will now be in the safe mode. Select the option Rebuild Database. At that time, it will warn you that it may take hours. Finally, make sure that you have the latest version of PS4 system software. The updates always offer bug fixes and system performance optimizations. So, just ensure that the latest version is installed on your console. In case other players have the same problem as you, then this is most likely a problem from Sony, and what you can do is wait for them to release a patch in the next software update. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.